Okay, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net, and here we're going to show our trades of the day with the Trading123 order flow strategy Delta Trader, trading the ES here on Friday the 13th. And quite a day it was with the market. And let's take a look at the trades. As you see, I posted this trade at 9:51 a.m. It was a live trade in the market. As it happened, no market replay BS like others do. Here is the results. Basically here, as it shows, I'm trading 5 contracts, being pretty aggressive because there's a lot of buyers coming into the market on Friday here. As you see, these volume prints all green, and that means up we're going. And then this, information in here in the delta is all green and positive, and sometimes I like to call this the mortgage play. So I've been trading 5 contracts pretty much all week because of the high volume in the ES. Usually I typically trade 2 or 3, and I'm going for a $2,000 goal because when these fire off, I have set profit targets that hit very quickly, and I'm in the money. Because volume moves price, price moves volume, and up we go. We get a nice trade there, and then the market flips. You got all sell side volume over here, a high print there in that dark red. This is normal selling. Dark red is heavy selling, so it goes short, hits targets pretty quickly, and I ended up with $1,600 profit on that trade, which took probably about 3 minutes. 4 minutes at the most with setup. Let's just say 5, and you practically paid for half of the bot right there in that one trade. And then let's take a look at Mike's trade. And here he got out just before the news at 10, and he's trading 2 contracts. It shows over here, and profit targets are hit, and then he caught pretty much the same short I did and ended up with $750 profit for a nice trade for him. He typically goes for a $1,000 goal on 2 or 3 contracts, and so he's 3/4 the way there. And we just updated this order flow strategy and included a lot of new features in it. We got the data watch feature here with all the new features, order management. Everything's been reworked to NinjaTrader's best practices and coding ethics. And as you see, it works pretty damn good. So if you're in a trade and your data with Rhythmic decides to stall out and die on you, instead of your chart freezing up, what happens is this will exit the trade after a certain amount of seconds. So that's a great feature to have, no longer getting hung in a trade. And then this is Mike's second trade where he made $988. So 2 trades, he's up over $1,700. And these are stacked imbalances lines here. So below that means the market's weak. It fires off a short. He hits targets. And then a long, he hits its profit goal. Gets $988 out of a $1,000 goal. We just reworked all the programming language for the money management, so there's less slippage, and you'll get out usually within $20 to $50 of your goal at the most, and sometimes you may have positive slippage depending on how fast the market is. So that's a great feature that we improved in the strategy. And then this is my second trade. And first trade, we hit for $1,600. This one I had $2,000 goal like before, 5 contracts. Sellers here, it goes short, hits its profit target, locks in, we're halfway to our goal. And then a long here, hits the profit target as buyers came in, and prints this on the chart. Targets hit, and we come within $41 of our goal. And this ES moves on 5 contracts. The profit goal moves pretty quickly. Got a nice profit there for a great day of trading. 2 trades and $3,500 paid for the bot in 1 day. And Mike did really well with it. 2 trades, $1,700 off and running. And so for more information on this bot, you want to be aggressive and pass a eval. You load up the contracts. You wait for heavy volume prints, and the bot does the rest. So visit our website at trading123.net. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck with your trading.